All right, the drink we're about to make is called port wine cocktail. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there. Let it sit while you're making your drink. It should be nice and chilled. All right, put some ice in a glass and measure out 2.5 ounces of port. All right, here's 2.5. And follow that up with 1/2 teaspoon of brandy. All right, and we're going to stir it up, so go ahead and grab your strainer and your mixing spoon and stir vigorously. Don't want to shake it, but this will do just as good as that. All right, keep your strainer on there. Go ahead and pour out your ice water and strain it in. There we go. And that is a port wine cocktail. Bottoms up.